Something rather special arrived in the post today. So, let's take a look at what came in the post today from YouTube. What could this be? No, I know what it is. I got a message that I was going to receive this a few weeks ago, so I'm absolutely ecstatic about this. And I can't believe it actually got to this stage. So this channel was started in November 2008, and I never thought at the time that it would actually progress to anything like this. All I wanted to do, it's going to sound really cheesy, all I wanted to do was just share some of the train videos I filmed. I didn't film them just to put them on YouTube, I filmed them because I wanted to film them, and I just thought, you know what, I'll share this with the world. And it took 11 years nearly to get 1,500 subscribers. And then in March this year, one of my videos went viral in India, and it's all kind of snowballed from there. So at the moment I'm on just over 116,000. So after taking 11 years to get 1,500, I've got that many in extra in just short of 6 months basically. So absolutely ecstatic, and nearly 40 million views as well in total, so really, really happy. So let's see what's in the package. It's all there. Shipped from America. I did break the tape earlier. So it's an emotional moment. We have a lovely letter which reads, "You have just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created." Well, that's very emotional. "They were inspired, challenged, or entertained." Hopefully entertained. "You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humour too. And what you've accomplished can't be taken away from you. We'd like to recognise all of you and your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares, mainly in India apparently. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think, and we're rooting for you. Congratulations." I mean, I'm absolutely ecstatic with 100,000. I don't need 1 million subscribers. It'd be nice, but I'm very happy where I am right now. And there's a little note here to say somebody's checked it and inspected it. So, the big moment. Recognise my team well, sadly. Generally it's my channel, but plenty of people have helped me out and taken places. I've taken them places, you know, there's too many people to mention, but for everyone, you know who you are. Thank you very much for helping me get to where I am today. So let's have a look. It's quite heavy, this. There we go. Presented to Stephens Railways for passing 100,000 subscribers. It's all shiny, look at that. It's all nice and furry at the back as well. It's got some nice grips to hang on the wall, so we'll have to put it in pride of place, either on the wall in here or in that dingy little corner with the computer, which is where all the magic happens and where all the railway videos are uploaded from. So yeah, it's been quite an emotional day, this really is turning up. But you know, it's amazing. I'm so pleased with where I am, and I have to thank my girlfriend Charlotte, who's filming this right now, for putting up with me and being with me every step along the way. I'm trying to surround myself with things that are related to my channel. So the seats that I'm sat on belong to the little red Corsa that came with us on Eurotrip 2016, and it's nearly ready for the road again after its 3.5 years restoration. I've got my models on the bookshelf. because Richmond Model Railway is also one of my YouTube channels. Even though Richmond Model Railway no longer exists, I still have a great passion for O gauge and double O gauge models. I've got one of my warbler alarms. My chloride gent warbler videos got quite a few views, which were interesting, and yeah, just generally loads of railway books, and just, yeah, it's my life. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you continue to enjoy the videos that I produce. Thank you.